easy one, and this is the explanation for question number 8 YouTube video. So here's the question. Write a function with each word in sentence that takes a sentence of word that make or not have a final period, which returns a sentence, each word of which is reserved. You can assume that all letters are lowercase with no punctuation except the final period. For example, if sentence equal to be or not to be, that is the question, then the output should be just a word and it like reversed. So so first let's write a function. So we define the with each word in sentence, and then we define the sentence words and lines, which is sentence equal sentence comma and then -1, and the words equal sentence point split, and then the last one is just the lines is equal line words -1, and then we use while loop to make the condition. And so while length is bigger than 0, and here's the condition. So if words lines 0 is equal the comma, the point, the words is equal, the x is equal words lines, and x is also equal x 1 comma line word, and then we just print out the x plus, and the otherwise we just print the lines is minus equal 1, and for the question we can see the output is like OTEBRO, something like this. So we need to write the main function, which is the define main, with each word in to be or not to be, that is the question, and then we just print out the answer. So let's run it. So here we can see the output is right here. So that's it.